What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another set of case reviews. This time we're going to be looking at the full lineup of cases by Moko for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's check them out. So in the background, I have 5 separate cases by the company Moko. I'm going to go ahead and get these open, starting with these first. And these cases have the little ring stand on them, and they come in 2 colors. Get this open. You get a black one. And you get a blue and black one. Now these cases have a plasticky feel. This one actually has a hard back on it. Plasticky rubberized TPU. It actually separates right there. 2 separate pieces on this case. You have a magnetic clip in your car. These are gonna pop right onto the back of those. And you got a little stand right here, kickstand, so you can stand your phone up. Let's go ahead and drop this phone in and see how we like it. So it actually feels really good in the hand. It's not slippery at all. Not sure if these edges are going to protect against far drops. They just feel kind of plasticky. But as far as the phone itself, it feels really good in the hands, and it has that little kickstand on it that's going to help you stabilize your phone and do exactly what you need to do when you need to do it. So the buttons on these cases, or the cutouts, match up nice and precise. Easy to get to that S Pen. No buttons over here, remember, and buttons over here. Nice, tactile. Everything up top matches up as well. As far as a wireless charge, you probably will not get that just because this metal piece. We're gonna try it out anyway. Yep, no wireless charge on this device. Just to show you that wireless charger is working. There we go. Wireless charger is a go. It just will not work with any case that has the metal part on the back. Next up, we have a slate black case. Now this looks to be a wallet type case. Let's get this open. Put that to the side. Here we go. So magnetic flap, you see that right up front. You get a lanyard in here. Get your silicone little dryer sheet, and you get a spot to carry cards and everything over here. Hard rubberized TPU on the back. Let's go ahead and drop this phone in and see what it feels like. So it actually feels pretty nice in here. Now I'm not a wallet type person myself, but our camera is nice down in that deep groove right there. All of our ports on the bottom match up. Everything looks good. You can't get to your side buttons, so that's the only problem with this case right here, is you cannot access those side buttons without actually opening the case itself. So you got to open the case to get to the side buttons. Everything else looks really good. Wireless charging. Wireless charging is a go. It is on deck. So you get wireless charging with this wallet style case, and this is another one that you can pick up from the company Moko. So the next 2 cases are actually exactly the same, just 2 different colors. These are the rubberized TPU shells, more so of a, let's check them out. More so of like a hard plastic. We got a blue one and we got a black one. Got both of those open. Now these 2 are along the same style. You got a blue one and a black one. They're mainly just a plasticky shell type case. Pop them on, and they actually fit really nice on this device. They feel really good in the hand. They're not slippery at all. I was expecting them to be a little more slippery. Everything fits down bottom. Easy access to our S Pen right there. Buttons match up really nice. Nice clicky, nice and tactile. Everything up top looks good. Speakers, mic, everything is great. charging test. There we go. Wireless charging is a go. We don't have to worry about that. And this is the same case, so I'm not gonna try that one on. So you get the two, you get the blue and the black in that variation. So there you have it, guys. 5 cases from the company Moko that you can check out for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. 2 of these are a rubberized shell, magnet style, wallet style case, and 2 of these actually will have the magnetic or the metal piece on the back with the ring stand that you can clip in your car. So I'll drop links below to all these in the description. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give it that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.